Hi, it's Pat from CedarCoast Homes. I'm back on Tobin Island where we're doing a bunkie build on top of an existing boathouse, and I'll just pan around here. The existing structure did have a solar system on it, and it got removed, and we're just replacing it here now. I'm here with Gopal of Herc du Soleil.
Herc du Soleil.
And thank you. And just tell me a little bit about the system here that we're reinstalling today.
So we have the 16 panels in this roof here. We took it down for re-roofing. So a panel with 260 watt DC, and then we have the micro inverter for each panel.
Right, those inverters right down there for each panel. Okay.
The AC, and it goes back to the grid.
Right on. Well, thanks for sharing that. We'll get some more shots when it's all done. But this system here produces a lot of power for this beautiful cottage and feeds back to the grid. And it's been up for 13 years now, and it's really still performing very, very well. So the owner is happy to get it back installed and get some free hydro coming up to his cottage. So we'll get some photos once it's all installed. Thanks for watching.